गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. कालच्या तासाला आपण याच्यापूर्वी बघा प्लासेंटा, प्रेग्नन्सी. प्लासेंटा म्हणजे काय, प्रेग्नन्सी म्हणजे काय, पार्च्युरेशन किंवा डिलिव्हरी, हे तीन कन्सेप्ट बघितलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट वन इज द, पाठीमागचं काय आठवतंय का बघा, प्रेग्नन्सी, प्लासेंटा अँड डिलिव्हरी किंवा पार्च्युरेशन, हे तीन कन्सेप्ट आहेत. प्रेग्नन्सी, प्लासेंटा आणि पार्च्युरेशन, द कंडिशन ऑफ कॅरिंग वन और मोर एम्ब्रियोज इन युटेरस ऑफ प्रेग्नंट फीमेल or woman called pregnancy. Placenta, intimate structural and functional connection between fetus and uterine wall of mother. The act of expelling full-term baby from uterus called parturition. याचा आपण पाठीमागच्या तासाला अभ्यास केलेला आहे. त्यानंतर आजच्या तासाला आपण लॅक्टेशन, एक कन्सेप्ट आहे लॅक्टेशन. लॅक्टेशनला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणता येईल बघा, दुग्धपान फॉर न्यूबॉर्न बेबी. लॅक्टेशन फॉर न्यूबॉर्न बेबी. लॅक्टेशन म्हणजे काय बघा, लॅक्टेशन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन secretion and injection of milk from mammary gland called lactation. Lactation means the production of milk called lactation. Lactation चा अर्थ काय बघा, प्रोडक्शन, secretion of milk, secretion of milk from mammary glands. Secretion and injection of milk from mammary gland called lactation. The process of formation, secretion and injection of milk in pregnant woman at the end of pregnancy, end of gestation. Mammary glands grows and develop to secrete milk. Milk produced in at the end of gestation or pregnancy, and milk ejected after childbirth for feeding of newborn babies. Milk production is controlled by main hormone prolactin. Milk production mammary gland वरती स्टिम्युलेट करणार सिक्रेशन फॉर मिल्क प्रोलॅक्टिन, एक हार्मोन लक्षात ठेवा, प्रोलॅक्टिन. प्रोलॅक्टिन जे हार्मोन आहे, प्रोलॅक्टिन हे कधी तयार होत असेल बघा, प्रोलॅक्टिन इज सिक्रेटेड if level of estrogen and progesterone falls, become low after childbirth, पार्च्युरेशन नंतर, डिलिव्हरी झाल्यानंतर प्लासेंटा नष्ट होतो आणि यामुळे काय होतं बघा, एस्ट्रोजन आणि प्रोजेस्टेरॉन लेवल बिकम लो at the end of pregnancy and after childbirth. Estrogen and progesterone, steroid hormone, level of estrogen and progesterone become low and stimuli to pituitary glands. Stimuli to pituitary gland चे असे आपण दोन लोब सांगितलेले आहेत. Stimuli to anterior lobe of pituitary glands and anterior lobe of pituitary gland secrete hormone prolactin. Prolactin, milk producing hormone, prolactin. If level of estrogen and progesterone falls, become low, stimuli anterior lobe of pituitary glands, and produce secrete prolactin. Prolactin is an hormone. Stimulate prolactinचा परिणाम कुठे होतो बघा. Prolactin stimulate epithelium cells, epithelium tissue of alveolus of mammary glands. Mammary glands, milk bearing glands. Mammary glands, paired structure. Prolactins stimulate epithelium of alveolus present in mammary glands and secrete milk. Before and after childbirth, due to hormone prolactin, milk secretion takes place called lactogenesis. Production of milk from mammary glands after childbirth. Prolactin चा उपयोग आहे milk production, secretion of milk, and second hormone is an oxytocin. ऑक्सिटोसिन ला बर्थ हार्मोन पण म्हणलेलं आहे. ऑक्सिटोसिन इज also known as milk ejecting hormone. Milk ejecting hormone. Oxytocin चा उपयोग काय होईल? Oxytocin for contraction of muscles. Contraction of muscles of mammary glands and eject the milk. Discharge of milk for feeding of fetus through nipples. Oxytocin is the milk ejecting hormone. इथपर्यंत हे महत्त्वाचे दोन हार्मोन लक्षात ठेवा. एक प्रोलॅक्टिन, प्रोलॅक्टिन, मिल्क सिक्रेटरी हार्मोन प्रोलॅक्टिन. Oxytocin, milk ejecting hormone. Oxytocin stimuli contraction of muscles of mammary gland and eject the milk for feeding of fetus, food of fetus through nipples. It involves lactation मध्ये galactogenesis ही एक प्रोसेस आहे. Galactogenesis means maintain secretion or formation of milk maintain करणं म्हणजे galactogenesis. It also controlled by different hormones like growth hormone GH, thyroxine hormone, and cortisol hormones. Galactogenesis means maintain formation of milk production process maintain करणं galactogenesis. Colostrum, first milk produced from mammary glands after childbirth called colostrum. Colostrum बघा महत्त्वाचा हा कन्सेप्ट आहे. कोलोस्ट्रोम म्हणजेच काय? फर्स्ट मिल्क produced from mammary glands after childbirth, after parturition, for feeding first milk called colostrum. And colostrum is sticky, thick and yellow colored milk. Colostrum, sticky and yellow colored fluid which contain IgA, immunoglobulin A, for its for increase immunity of fetus. Immunity म्हणजेच काय? रोग प्रतिकार क्षमता वाढवणे. And they produce colostrum for fetus to develop passive immunity. Short period of time साठी passive immunity तयार करण्यासाठी, रोग प्रतिकार क्षमता वाढवण्यासाठी कोलोस्ट्रोम मध्ये असणाऱ्या अँटीबॉडीचा उपयोग होतो. कोलोस्ट्रोम स्टिकी येलो फ्लुइड contains antibodies for increase immunity in fetus, protect the fetus from different diseases, and placenta also produce IgG, immunoglobulin genes. IgG, milk produced due to neuroendocrine reflex. Neuroendocrine reflex मुळे सुद्धा production of milk, process of formation and secretion of milk takes place from mammary gland due to neuroendocrine reflex. Neuroendocrine reflex, it involves, first one is the suckling of milk from mammary glands through nipple, and second one is the crying of baby. Cry of baby stimulate production of milk. Neuroendocrine reflex, milk produced due to two factors. रिफ्लेक्सेस कशामुळे दूध निर्मिती होते? न्यूरोएंडोक्राइन रिफ्लेक्सेस कोणते आहेत? दोन रिफ्लेक्सेस आहेत. इफ fetus, newborn baby suck milk from mammary gland through nipples, at that time milk is produced in mammary gland. Second one is the crying of baby. Due to this, production of milk takes place, neuroendocrine reflex. Mother's milk used as food in newborn baby due to milk contain water, minerals, protein, that is casein protein present in milk, carbohydrates, lactose, carbohydrate, that is lactose, and fat, oil droplet, low amount of fat present in milk, hence used as food for newborn baby. Milk used as food in newborn baby because milk contain water, minerals, protein, that is casein protein, carbohydrate, that is lactose sugar, and fat is low, that is oil droplets. Mother's milk is a safest for newborn baby because mother's milk safest for newborn baby because it provides all nutrient for normal growth and development of child. It protects newborn baby from different type of diseases, increase immune system. Hence, mother's milk is safest for newborn baby. असं का म्हटलेलं असेल? याचं कारण काय बघा. Mother's milk is the safest for safety, सुरक्षित आहे for newborn baby because mother's milk used as food. They contain water, minerals, protein like casein, carbohydrate, lactose, small amount of fat, oil droplets, vitamins for normal growth and development of child, normal growth and development of babies, protect baby from different type of diseases, increase immunity, that is passive immunity. Hence, mother's milk are safest for newborn baby. Lactation. Lactation means secretion and production of milk. Lactation means काय? Secretion. Secrete at the end of gestation or pregnancy and after childbirth. At the end of pregnancy and after childbirth, mammary gland produce milk called lactation. दुग्धपान म्हणतात for feed of fetus, newborn babies. The process of formation, that is secretion and ejection of milk from mammary gland called lactation. Production of milk is controlled by one hormone. Prolactin is the main hormone. Production, secretion of milk, prolactin. Prolactin produce if decrease the level of, fall the level of estrogen and progesterone. Prolactin from anterior lobe of pituitary glands, and prolactin stimulate mammary gland epithelium of alveolus and produce milk, that is lactogenesis. Oxytocin for milk ejection hormone, milk ejecting hormone after childbirth. Oxytocin stimuli muscles of mammary glands and it brings contraction of muscles of mammary glands and eject the milk, discharge of milk for feed of newborn baby. Hence oxytocin is called milk ejecting hormone. Galactogenesis, milk production process is maintained. Different type of hormones like growth hormone, thyroxine, cortisol called galactogenesis. कोलोस्ट्रोम महत्वाचा शब्द हा. कोलोस्ट्रोम फर्स्ट मिल्क, सुरुवातीचं जे दूध आहे, फर्स्ट मिल्क प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम मॅमरी ग्लँड. फर्स्ट मिल्क्स eject from mammary gland for food or feed of fetus, feed of newborn baby, and it contains antibodies, immunoglobulins for immunity, increase the immunity power of newborn babies, childs. Neuroendocrine reflex also produce milk, that is lactation. It involves two steps. First one is the sucking of milk from mammary gland through nipples and stimulate mammary glands to produce milk. Second one is the crying of child, crying babies. Influence secretion of milk, neuroendocrine reflex. Milk used as food because they contain all essential nutrients. Water, mineral, proteins, casein protein, carbohydrates and fats. Mother's milk is a safety for newborn baby because for normal growth and development of child, increase immunity, protect the newborn baby child from diseases or many infections. Lactation is the most essential after childbirth, after parturition, deliveries, for provide nutrient and protection of fetus, increase immunity powers. इथपर्यंतचा एक कन्सेप्ट तयार करा. लॅक्टेशन, सिक्रेशन ऑफ मिल्क or production of milk in mammary glands of pregnant women or after childbirth. ठीक है.